In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your old deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your messages on WhatsApp and now you want to recover them but you don't have a backup, then what you have to do is to long press on this WhatsApp's logo, go to app info, go to storage and cache, and then click on this clear cache option. Once you have done that, close settings and go to your file manager. Click on all files, internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, databases. Now select all these files. Once you have done that, click on copy and go back to the previous folder. Go to backups and paste all those files here. Once you have done that, your old deleted chats on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.